Apple CarPlay is marketed as the ultimate driving companion, but is it really worth it? Before you spend hundreds upgrading your head unit or buying a car with built-in CarPlay, there are hidden realities you need to know. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down 5 things most people don't tell you about Apple CarPlay. First, CarPlay still depends heavily on your iPhone. If your phone's battery is weak, your software is outdated, or your apps crash, CarPlay will inherit all those issues. No matter how good your stereo is, if your phone acts up, CarPlay becomes unreliable, freezing, disconnecting, or lagging exactly when you need it most. Second, not all CarPlay head units are created equal. While premium brands like Pioneer, Alpine, and Kenwood offer smooth CarPlay experiences, cheaper models suffer from lag, poor screen quality, and random app crashes. Saving money on the head unit often means a frustrating and glitchy daily experience. Third, wired CarPlay can be a hassle. If you don't have a wireless system, you'll need to plug your phone in every single time you drive. Cables wear out, connections become loose, and forgetting to connect your phone can leave you fumbling for maps and music, exactly what CarPlay was supposed to eliminate. Fourth, wireless CarPlay drains your battery fast. Even though it frees you from cables, wireless CarPlay forces your phone to constantly run high-powered Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. On long drives, expect your battery to drain rapidly unless you have a fast charger plugged in anyway, defeating part of the wireless convenience. Fifth, navigation isn't always perfect. While Apple Maps has improved, it's still not as robust or detailed as Google Maps or Waze in many areas. Plus, slow real-time updates and occasional rerouting issues mean you can't rely 100% on CarPlay for critical navigation without double-checking your route. In conclusion, while Apple CarPlay offers great convenience when it works well, hidden dependencies, connection hassles, and reliability issues mean it's not the flawless upgrade it's often portrayed as. Know these facts before you decide if CarPlay is really worth it for your daily driving needs.